Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this ottoman. Let's go ahead and get right into this. It is by this friend right here, and this is what it looks like. They are great for just storing items that you may have laying around your house, from dog toys to regular toys to books, you name it, you can actually put it in here. So that's what it looks like. So this is how it comes packaged. You just take the lid off, has the insert right there. This is the bottom part. So you're just gonna open this up just like that. That's about how big it is. Then you're gonna place this in there, this facing upwards so that you can take it out. So just like that. And then this is the lid. And that's what it looks like. So this one does not have like the side pockets. I know some of them do come with little side pockets, but it is like a soft top. I probably wouldn't recommend sitting on this because I don't think that it would be that strong, but if you wanted to like maybe put your legs on it, that should be light enough for it. But it's just really nice. I'm going to use this either in my kids' room or my living room for my dog toys, because that's actually perfect for that. And then it just looks cute laying around rather than having like a basket or something with some of them in it. Super nice. This is very hard on the side. It's this is just like thin fabric at the bottom, but it does have that little placement down there that you push down, and that's actually the same like hard, it's almost like a hard plastic that it's made out of in the inside. And then this is really well made, but I will definitely be using this. I give it a 5 out of 5. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.